This is a 2018 Porsche Macan. How do you check your oil level? You see this button right here? All you have to do is just watch this. See that? When you push that come, and then you just hit vehicle. I just did an oil change. I'm driving this baby to make sure once you do the oil change, you have to drive it like 6 miles, then it will tell you the measurement of oil if it's good or not. So that's what I'm doing. Here we go. See, the oil level is perfect. That's how you check 2018 Porsche Macan oil change. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe. If you want to reset your oil level, I believe you have to do it with the machine. I'll put another video to show you guys how to reset the oil level if you did your own oil change. Thank you again. Bye-bye.